formation. In linguistics, word formation refers to how new words are made or created, and the study of word formation falls in the domain of derivational morphology or lexicology. Derivational morphology, as you already know, is the change of one class of word to another. Word formation can be viewed as a diachronic or synchronic. Diachronic means through different periods in history, and synchronic means at one particular period in time. The word formation is necessary in a language because it enriches the vocabulary of language. Another important concept related to this is the etymology. Etymology is the study of origin and history of word. The term comes through Latin and it has a Greek origin, etymon, which means form, and logia means study. So in English, usually the words are originated from the Latin, Greek, or any other language. So there are different word formation processes. So the first one is the coinage. It is the one of the least common process because it is the oldest method of word formation in English. So it is simply defined as the invention of totally new words. The most typical examples are invented trade names for commercial products. So the examples are, some of the oldest examples are aspirin, nylon, vaseline, etc. And some of the recent examples are the Linux, Teflon, Xerox, Zipper, etc. So one of the most recent example of coinage is the Google, which is the name of company. The word Google entered the English language and now it is used with the meaning of to use the internet or find information on the internet. Firstly, it was used as a noun, but now it is also used as a verb, such as we say that Google it. Another important process which falls under this coinage is the eponyms. Eponym is a special type of coinage. It creates new words based on the name of a person or a place. For example, the word sandwich is from the 18th century. The Earl of Sandwich first insisted on having his bread and meat together while gambling, and this word sandwich is formed. And the word jeans is derived from the Italian city of Genova, where this type of cloth was first made. So the basic idea in eponym is that the words refer to name of a person or a place. The second process is the borrowing. It is the one of the most common source of new words in English, and it means that taking over words from other languages. These words are known as the loan words. English language has adopted many loan words from other languages, such as the word alcohol from Arabic language, the word boss from Dutch language, piano Italian word, army French word, yogurt a Turkish word. The other examples, as you see in the table, that cargo is a Spanish word, knife is a Swedish word, angel is a Greek word, nickel comes from the German language, and magic come from the Persian language, and there are thousands of more examples available there. So here the borrowing doesn't mean that we in the English language return those words back to the languages from which it has adopted the words. It become permanently in English language. The last process is the compounding. Compounding means form a new word out of two or more root morphemes. The words are called compounds or compound words. It is the joining of two separate words to produce a single form, a single word. It is a very common and productive source of new terms, not only in English but also in other languages as well. Different categories of words can be combined together, such as noun plus noun. Example is the lipstick. Verb plus noun comes from break plus fast goes to breakfast, and adjective plus noun, fast plus food goes to fast food. And some other examples are the bookcase, fingerprint, sunburn, wallpaper, textbook, water basket, water bed, doorknob, textbook, Facebook, YouTube. There are thousands of more words, compound words are there, as you see in the picture I pasted there. So that's all. Thank you for listening.